Hello everybody, my name is Gurmeet Goindi. I'm the product manager for Exadata and I'm coming to you from Sangam 2018. Sangam is one of the largest Oracle user group conference we have in India, or I should say in Asia, and it's beaming with energy. This is full of very curious minds, Oracle experts from all over the world sharing their experiences with the local Indian community and vice versa. This is my first time at Sangam, but I have been involved with AIUG, with the ODEV earlier this year, and the experience was very similar. I would highly recommend everyone to make this conference a regular stop on in their schedules. As an Oracle Exadata advocate, I get to visit many user conferences, and there's nothing like Sangam in our Oracle user group circuit. So today we'll talk about Exadata at 4 o'clock in Ballroom 2. So if you are interested in knowing on what the latest innovations we are bringing in with Exadata, don't miss the slot. It's Saturday, 4 p.m. Ballroom 2. No talk is complete with our gratitude towards the organizing committee, and the organizing committee at AIUG has done a fabulous job, and we'll make sure that Sangam is on the regular stop for Exadata speakers as well. I'd like to end this discussion with thanking you for listening to this talk, and at the same time wish you a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. See you at 4. Thank you.